In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to take a printout on Booking.com. By the end, you'll have a clean, professional confirmation you can hand over at check-in, attach to expense reports, or include with visa paperwork. All you need is your Booking.com account and either a connected printer or the option to save as a PDF. Start on the Booking.com homepage. Look to the top right and click the profile icon. If you're prompted to sign in, use the same account you used to make the reservation so all your trips appear correctly. Once the menu opens, choose Bookings and Trips. This takes you to your travel dashboard where you can see upcoming and past reservations in one place. If you have many bookings, take a moment to spot the one you need by date, destination, or property name. Select the booking you want to print. This opens the booking details page. Before printing, quickly verify that the guest name, check-in and check-out dates, room type, and number of guests are correct. It's helpful to catch any changes here, such as adjusted dates or updated policies, so your printout reflects the latest information. Next, click Print Confirmation. This generates a printer-friendly version of your reservation. You'll typically see the property address and contact details, your reservation number, payment or guarantee method, and key policies like check-in times and cancellation rules, all arranged neatly for paper. If the page isn't already in your preferred language, click English version. Choosing English ensures the details are clear for airline staff, immigration checks, or anyone processing reimbursements. Give the preview a quick scan to confirm everything looks right and that no sections are cut off. From here, your browser's print options take over. Select your printer if you're printing on paper, or choose Save as PDF if you want a digital copy you can email or store on your phone. For a tidy result, use Portrait Orientation. Set Scale to Fit to Page, or 100%, and enable background graphics only if your layout requires it. Black and white is usually fine, and two-sided printing can save paper if your confirmation runs long. Before you finish, make sure the property name and address, reservation number, dates, and guest name are clearly visible on the first page. Keep a digital backup as well, so you have both versions handy during your trip. That's it. Click the profile icon, open Bookings and Trips, select your reservation, choose Print Confirmation, and switch to the English version for a clear, travel-ready printout. Safe travels, and happy booking!